Make money online with no experience. Yes, today we are going to talk about how to make money online without any prior experience using Canva and Fiverr.com. In this video, we are going to talk how to make money online with Canva on Fiverr. You heard it right. You can make money online with Canva.com and you don't need any experience to do it. You just need to have some basic skills to edit and design anything. So, before proceeding to the video, just hit the subscribe button and like the video. Now, let's begin. Here, you just need to sign up on Canva.com. You can get the link below in the description for Canva.com, and you just need to sign up for this. You can even earn using Canva.com free account. You just don't need to go for the pro version. And in the beginning, you can just use the free version of Canva.com, and if you wanna explore the Canva pro version, you will get 30-day free trial. You can also check that. Here in Canva.com, you can design anything you want. You can design presentations, you can design social media posts like Instagram post, Facebook post. You can design anything related to marketing or office. You can design logos. You can even design YouTube thumbnails, logos, icons, anything you want. And here I want to show you in Fiverr.com. Here I have searched about Canva. I just searched Canva in Fiverr, and here you can see there are sellers. Here it is. I will create an Canva Instagram template for a beautiful feed, and she's charging a minimum of $50 for this. And let's look into her profile. Here she is a level 2 seller and she is a 5-star rated seller with 382 reviews, and there are already 13 orders in queue, and she's charging $50 for only 6 post templates, and that's the minimum she's charging. And you can also check the standard and the premium charges of her. She's charging $60 for 12 post templates, and in the premium she's charging $70 for 18 post templates. You can check her here. You can check her designs she has given. Like these are very simple designs you can create in Canva.com. And I want to also show you another profile. Here it is. I will design anything in Canva, and the person is charging $25 for just one page design. And she's also 5-star rated seller with 41 reviews. And just look into another, and here it is. I will design anything in Canva with 232 5-star ratings and 2 orders in queue. She's just charging $30 for social media post like Facebook post, Instagram post, LinkedIn post, and Pinterest post, and she has 2 orders in queue. And in this way, you can also earn money online using Canva.com. You just need to have an account in Canva.com and Fiverr.com. You will get the link below to join these 2 websites, and you can start making money online with Canva.com on Fiverr. So hope you like the video. Just hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share it with your friends. Okay, bye bye, take care.